Flowers and Associates Real Estate Investing, helping you achieve maximum returns through real estate. Here's just another project report. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
1252 Nicholas. We are doing the painting the walls and the ceiling. Beginning to take shape. Really is looking good. The walls look smooth now. All that old paneling is off, so you got a smooth texture here. The framing is coming along really well. The new sockets have been put in for this additional room. Light switch moved over, and the door, the additional door for this room coming in here. So this way that individual tenant can come out of his room, out of this door, go through the hallway to the bathroom. Probably close this door off. Well, we're going to close this door off so it won't enter into another person's room. 1252, Nicholas signing off.
If you would like to know more about how to receive 3 times the market rent for your properties, check out our free lessons at flowersandassociates.courses.